Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Voice chat has been an important part of video games for the longest time. Whether you're trying to defend a friend against enemy fire or tasing an opponent you killed, voice chat comes in handy. Like any other platform, people could use the wonder of voice chat, and thankfully the developer listened to user feedback and rolled out voice chat to Roblox. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on the voice chat on Roblox. It's very simple. So first of all, you can go to the settings by click on the more icon in here, three dots over here. Now you can go to the settings, click on privacy and content restrictions. After that, you can see there is an option communication. You can just click on that. There is an option voice chat. You can just click on that. Enable microphone. You can just enable the toggle by click on the toggle in here. By selecting Enable, I consent to Roblox collection, use, and start my voice recording to enable voice services and for moderation, safety, and improvement of our service and tools. You can just click on Enable. So now you can use your voice chat on your mobile, on your Roblox. But before that, if you can't find these settings on your Roblox account, you can you must be age verified on Roblox. So Roblox takes appropriate content restrictions seriously. To make sure the voice chat feature is not misused, it's currently locked behind an age restriction. As such, you will need to prove you are 13 years old or above to use voice chat. You can verify your age from the settings account info, verify my age in here. You can verify. After that, after you verify your age, you can enable the voice chat in privacy and content restriction, communication, and voice chat. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable voice chat on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!